Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's hot today. Hey, I'm not complaining, right? Well, it's spring, but I think we hit 80 degrees Fahrenheit today, which is this in Celsius. Hey, you know what? I'm not complaining. I'd rather have it be this weather than always freezing all the time. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to finally build my Reflectix car window blockers, shades, privacy shades. This is also new to me. It's so exciting. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos about how to do this manually. I did try to see if they have this available online for my SUV, which is named Gamora, but it's too expensive and I don't want to spend all that money for this when I can just make it. It's probably not gonna be perfect, but here's my Reflectix. I got it from Menards. Let's see how it goes. Yikes. I did look at a lot of videos, so I'm pretty confident as to what I need to do. It involves a lot of measuring. Well, no, not really measuring, but laying the Reflectix through the window and then tracing it with the marker and then cutting it with scissor. All you need is a Sharpie, a scissor, your Reflectix, your windows. So let's go. But first I need my table because I'm gonna go ahead and set it here for my drink. Alright, the first thing I'm gonna try and do is the front passenger window. And then, well, obviously, you know, if the front passenger window works, then I can just go ahead and use that same cut to cut the driver's window. I'm making this up as I go. Reflectix. Get the tape out. Don't break your Reflectix. Alright. How did people do this? Videos. Cut a piece of overgrowth. You know what? You know what? Let's actually use a freaking measuring tape because, yeah, no, I'm not gonna buy another one of these. Alright, so the window length should be about 30. So I'm gonna do about 30. There. Alright, so I'm gonna cut about like 35 inches just so I have some leeway. I'm not really capturing everything I need to capture here. Hang on. go. Now, what I've seen folks do, on YouTube is they would just like lay this by the window, and then they would just push it till it's kind of snug, and then they would trace where they need to cut. So let me see if I can do that. Alright, I think I have a little bit of that. Let the cutting begin. Alright. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut outside of the mark so that, I can adjust if it's too much. What is that? No pain, no gain? Except I don't really want to feel pain. Alright, I know this is gonna go. I know this is gonna fail. So. Well, it didn't fail. Yeah, boy. That's great. I mean, there's like a little space over there, but it's not the end of the day, right? Oh, okay. Okay, I'm happy this works. That's how it looks from the outside, so I call that a win. Alright, it works. Now, I just have to do this one more time, and then I have to do the same thing to the passenger side, and then the back side. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and trace this. This one that I already got for the driver's side. Let's go. Well, actually, I want to make sure that after I remove it, I can still put it back. Buddy! It does work. Alright. Alright, now I just gotta trace this one more time. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut another one, like another 35-inch, and then I'm gonna trace this one, the new one. It does work. I mean, there's the like little gaps, minute gaps, but I'll take it. It's not, it shouldn't be perfect, right? I mean, as long as it covers the window and it stays there, we should be fine. Alright, there's that. Shove it back. That's a win. Alright, now I just gotta do it 2 more times, no, 3 more times. Well, 2 times rear passenger seat, which is kind of like mostly kind of, it does kind of look square, but I think that one, I'm hoping that one would be a little easier than this one. All right, let's do this rear passenger side. All right, first things first, measure. All right. It does work. All right, so the back one I think is going to be a little bit more difficult because of the way it looks. It's like circular. It kind of looks circular, and I don't know, depending on how this goes, I'm probably not going to use a Reflectix on the back, because really you can't really see anything on the back anyway. I think it's more tinted than the windows on the driver's side and the rear passenger side, but we'll see how it goes. I have to trace it while it's like up there. Ugh. Why? I don't even think the Reflectix is gonna work for this one. I'm probably gonna have to find another solution, like maybe put like a little curtains in here. So I don't think this is gonna work. Sure, the whole thing. 44. Calling it 45. How am I gonna trace this crap? Oh. I know how. Hang on. Hello guys. I just made Gamora into sleeping mode. Transformed her into sleeping mode. So that I can trace what I need to trace, because I couldn't trace it when the lift gate was open, because I'm short. Let's face it, I'm short, but I'm proud of it. So I'm just gonna go and trace from the inside, and I turned her on because it's hot AF at the moment. Not complaining. I'd rather be. I'm done with winter. I just can't deal with winter anymore. Now, granted, it was a very mild winter, so I'm not really complaining so much. Because why do that? All right, let's get the tracing going. still gonna be a challenge, but not it's not going to be as challenging as, you know, if the lift gate is like all cropped up, right? So let's do this. Okay, this is gonna be like awful. Like I don't even know how this is gonna be. Like I'm just gonna go ahead and do my best trace and then, or maybe just keep it this way and then I'm gonna go ahead and find like Velcro. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go. No, I am not. Ding ding ding. Light bulb. Because this is not really gonna work. Because the way it is, it's like it's too like deep to do it, and then the Reflectix. I mean, it bends, but it won't. It's not gonna be as accurate, right? It won't be. So I'm probably just going to keep it this way. I don't know, maybe trim it a little bit more, right? Like, and then I'm gonna install like Velcros on here and just stick it. Stick it over there above, and then stick it here to the side, and then stick it here to the side, and then stick it here. Boom, and then there's the Velcro thing. Yep. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this piece here for now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and find the piece from Amazon that I need for developer. Right. So there we go. I mean, what I was able to accomplish what I needed to. Oh, you know what? There's like this little piece in here. Oh, jeez. There's like this little piece. You see this right here? This little piece right here. I will. Yeah, I think that's gonna be easy. I'll just cut a little bit something there. That's gonna be easy to trace. So I'm not gonna put that in this video. I mean, you guys have an idea as to how it's done, right? So we should be good to go. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. As always, you know, just go ahead and do what will make you happy. Seriously, just do it. I mean, I've been doing it and I've been happy, right? So whatever it is. All right. If you like the content that I'm creating, please click the like and subscribe button. And as always, I will see you later.